Hello, my name is Don, and I'll be your host for the evening. Tonight's special is the roasted lamb dinner for $8.99, and the soup is New England clam chowder.
I think you're mixing up your jobs once again.
Lidstrom shoots the puck. Saved by Burke.
Attention shoppers, the net is now closed.
Langkow shoots the puck. Lidstrom. Shanahan grabs the puck. Yager has it now. Fires! Detroit grabs it. Lidstrom gets checked. Offside, Detroit. Lemieux wins the draw. The Red Wings go offside. Shanahan. Burke denies him.
He moves faster than a cheetah with a can tied to its tail.
Icing against Phoenix. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Chelios shoots. Wilson. Nagy corrals the puck. Yager takes control. Johnson mows him down. Chelios jumps on the loose puck. Offside. Lemieux. Detroit gobbles it up. Adams. Neuendijk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
May. Briere grabbed the puck. Shoots it! Joseph makes the save.
And the plot thickens.
Luchin fires from the right. Burke denied him. May. Langkow.
He put the puck through his legs just to prove a point. What that point was, I'm not sure.
Shanahan. Shoots the puck. Denied by Burke.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Amonte had the puck. Langkow corrals it. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Lidstrom has been nailed for interference.
Jim, did you know the referee's uniform was actually created so that officials would stand out from players on long-ago low-resolution televisions?
Yzerman with the puck. Kaberle gets laid out.
Oh, come on. He barely even got the guy's attention.
Blocked. Brewer takes control of the puck. Detroit has that penalty kill over with. Shot the puck. Scores! It trickled in.
Those are the goals that win championships.
Detroit breaks the stalemate with the game's first goal.
If at first you don't succeed... Oh, wait. They did succeed.
And the number 2.
Shanahan takes possession of the puck. Yager. Yager shoots it. Suchi gets in the way. Kalanos took the puck. Savage grabs it. Fires. Door slammed shut by Joseph.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Burke denies him.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
Langkow.
20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Oh, sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff. Welcome back to the game that makes me get all jittery and numb. Let's see what's shaking.
Lemieux won the faceoff. Kuba now has the puck. Fires it. Turned away by Burke.
He denied them, Jim. Plain and simple.
Brewer shoots the puck. Lemieux takes over. Kaberle pulls the puck through his legs.
Leaves the defender wondering what just happened.
Brewer runs over Langkow.
He just showed he's cut from strong cloth, the kind that makes highlight material.
Kaberle grabs the puck. Amonte! Langkow, pitchforks, Iserman, Langkow with the puck. Joseph with a tremendous save. Brewer picks up the puck from Joseph. Monty touches up for the icing call. Gets the shot off. Shanahan gets the pass from Joseph. Yager, one-timer from the left. Lemieux picks up the puck from Burke. Briere.
Okay, we're in for a little tete-a-tete.
Let me guess, Jim. That's French for a bunch of fighting. He dropped him like a cheap card table.
Yeah, and in front of a full house.
Detroit
Lemieux wins the draw.
A 5-minute major.
Chelios gets hold of the puck.
Penalty to number 22, Claude Lemieux. A 5-minute
Shoots!
major.
Kaberla stops the shot. Burke denies him.
His secret? Waxing his stick with goal be gone. Twice a week.
And he hangs on to the puck. Bookberger. May. Bookberger. Phoenix scoops it up. Blocked. Briere. Oh, it's not even close. Thrashed.
Usually when you're hit so hard, someone has to pay a deductible.
In all alone. Smolinski shoots the puck. Bookberger. May. Pushed off the puck. Herdina scooped it up. Caberlet grabbed it. Smolinski now has it. Smolinski cranks one. He hits the post. White takes possession of the puck. He gets checked. Mera. He jumps on the loose puck. May has it. He gets laid out. Briere grabs the puck. Fires it. Scores!
Man, is the wrist shot hot. And did he ever pick a spot?
We've got a tie game. The battle lines have been drawn.
You always get the best lines. I think the producer likes you better than me.
That's just a rumor.
What about those flowers on your birthday?
Joseph made the save.
And that save was all about the goaltender's confidence.
Caberlet gets hold of the puck. It goes wide. Almonte takes possession of the puck. Joseph closes the door. Doan whips it. Almonte nails Robitaille. Langkow shot it. Saved by Joseph. Doan shoots the puck. Iserman. Robitaille fires. Burke stones him.
Goalie 1, shooter 0.
Burke hangs on for the whistle. May. He knocked him off the puck. Grabbed by Phoenix. Breakaway. Saved by Joseph. And he covers up. White. Langkow grabs the puck.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
This is Jim Houston. Sadly, Don got stuck in traffic during a little intermission excursion and will be calling the game in from his cell phone.
Thank heaven for the unlimited evenings plan.
Yager scoops up the loose puck. Johnson nails him. Yager jumps on the loose puck. Scores!
If that goal were a fruit, it'd be grapefruit.
Bravo, Don, bravo.
You see, Jim, he moved this way, dished the puck off, and he one-timed it. Hey, my telestrator's off.
Don, that's an Etch-a-Sketch.
Oh, no wonder.
Detroit pulls off a big Monty. Scores!
Will we see a bigger goal this game? I don't think so.
By number 47, Jaromir Jagr.
Detroit has coughed up the lead.
And do we
Phoenix
feel
goal,
collars tightening,
scored by
perhaps?
number
Perhaps
10,
not,
Tony
but
Amonte,
perhaps.
Assisted by
Ruchin.
number 19, Shane Doan.
He steals the
and by
pass.
number 21,
Bookberger
Thomas
grabs the puck.
Nicholas.
Ruchin. Phoenix now with it. Kolanos. He gets laid out.
More proof to support my theory that getting hit like that probably doesn't do much for your posture.
Adams. Adams gets hold of the puck. Ruchin. Barron. Ruchin has the puck. Adams shoots! Burke, close the door! Doan. Amonte scoops up the loose puck. Joseph makes the save. Barron
Dangles the puck out there with one hand.
Then pulls it right back in. Sweet.
Lemieux. Lankow. Doan shoots the puck. Kuba jumps on it. Amonte. Doan. Now with it. Amonte has it now. Joseph turned the shot aside. Joseph denies him. Doan! Joseph made the save!
He came, he saw, he saved.
Joseph freezes the puck. Shoots it! Blocked. Amonte got the puck. Lemieux with a slap shot. Detroit has it now. Vannanen corrals it. Shoots! Stone cold by Joseph.
He takes pride in keeping a net 100% puck free.
He gets out-muscled. Vannanen grabs the puck. Lemieux returns it. Mera has it. Briere takes it. Lemieux gets it. May now has it. It's one-on-one. Iserman gets hold of the puck. Lemieux grabs it. Herdina with a wrist shot. Detroit grabs it. Simpson gets mowed down. Smolinski fires hard. Buchberger takes control of the puck.
If no one scores here, we're looking at an extra period, Don.
Great, another food break. Works for me.
And they get called for icing.
Prepare for a flurry of sticks and feet as they battle for the biscuit.
The Red Wings have lost the draw and it could cost them.
They weren't paying attention.
Doan! He gets mowed down. Ruchin. Neuendijk shot saved by Burke.
That could have been goal number 1 for him. Instead, just a shot.
Burke hangs on for the whistle. Wilson. Johnson now with the puck. Wilson takes control. Chelios. Yager. Nagy shoulders him. Shanahan scoops up the loose puck. Burke makes the save. Kamerla jumps on the loose puck. Johnson. Phoenix takes over. Yager intercepts the pass. He gets dropped.
At the end of the third, all that's been decided is we're going into overtime.
And never in 1,000 years.
Don, I'm really looking forward to this overtime period.
Likewise, Jim.
Then let's drop the puck.
Detroit has gained possession.
This is tense.
Kaberle grabs the puck. Doan. It's 2-on-1. Lankow shoots it. He scores!
You've got to give the netminder credit for trying, but some shots just can't be stopped.
Put it in the books. Detroit has given up the losing goal.
Let me tell you, Jim, it looked like their opponents were running shooting drills out there.